Arms Tag channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Vision Plus for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new smartphone for Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $99.99. So this is an exclusive budget smartphone for Cricket Wireless, and it's available in lava gray there. So yeah, the Vision Plus is a new phone. This is an update of the Cricket Vision, which was released like a few years ago. So yeah. So that's what the phone looks like there. You pretty much generic smartphone there. It looks like it has Android Go on there, or it looks like it might have like the stock Android feel to it there. Not sure if it has Android Go or not. I'm not sure about that. But anyways, guys, y'all guys have your earpiece there. Front-facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side has nothing as far as I can tell. And then on the back of the Cricket Vision Plus is a single rear camera. That's it, one rear camera. Camera first, Cricket logo in the speaker there and back, and it looks like it has like this pattern on back there, so pretty cool pattern. But yeah, the single rear camera is a big con, especially in 2022. So yeah, I'm not sure it makes this phone. Probably WingTech makes this phone. I'm not really sure. Y'all guys can also finance this phone for $34 a month as 0% APR with the firm, which I would not know why y'all would pay monthly for this phone, but you guys do have the option. So the features on the Cricket Vision Plus, they're definitely a lot better than the Cricket Vision, which was released a few years ago, obviously. So y'all guys have a 6-inch display, 8-megapixel rear-facing camera, 32 GB of storage. So it's here a steadfast essential to get you even further. Introducing the all-new Cricket Vision Plus, your essential smartphone running the latest and greatest Android 12 operating system. Stay connected and productive easily. Share media and content with friends and family. Stream movies and shows on a sharp 6-inch HD Plus display. The feature-rich rear and front cameras with portrait and night modes ensure that you capture all their special moments. No worrying about running out of space with up to 32 GB of internal storage, with up to 32 GB of internal memory, expandable by micro SD card. And put your mind at ease knowing your smartphone is backed by a 2-year warranty. So that is very cool. Features on the phone: compact, sleek design, modern design, finished in a beautiful lava gray color. The Cricket Vision Plus was designed with functionality, reliability, and simplicity in mind, featuring an ergonomic curvature and innovative wavy grain texture that shines. Vision Plus looks and feels great in your hand. Removable back cover provides easy access to your nano SIM and micro SD card. I'm not sure if the battery is removable or not, but you can take off the back cover to access your micro SD card and nano SIM card, so that's pretty cool. More efficient battery. Spend more time streaming, gaming, sharing, and less time worrying about battery life. Android 12 offers up to 22% better power efficiency over Android 11, letting you go longer between charges. App hibernation drastically improves battery performance by revoking app permissions and automatically clearing your cache on apps not used. Hands-free lifestyle. Enable Face Unlock Enable Face Unlock for a fast, hands-free method of securely unlocking your device. Vision Plus facial recognition feature will soon scan the user's face and unlock the device when a facial match is detected. With this simple "Hey Google," you can navigate to any destination with maps, text your at&t family, play music, get questions answered, and so much more. So yeah, you do have facial recognition as your security option, so it's pretty cool. Specs on this phone, alright, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. You do get Android 12, which is pretty nice. Your dimensions on the Cricket Vision Plus are at 6.26 inches height, 3.4 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Like I said, it has a 6-inch display, HD Plus, 32 gigabytes of storage, and I think 3 gigabytes of RAM. Your connectivity options are 4G LTE. There is no 5G on board. Obviously, this is just 4G only, no 5G. Wi-Fi connection is 8211 ABGN and AC. Dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C charging, mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi calling on board. You get an 8-megapixel rear-facing camera with flash, 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Processor is a quad-core processor at 2 gigahertz, 3500 mAh battery, and there's your hearing aid compatibility is there. Accessories for the phone. Let's see. Well, they do got a couple cases here for the Cricket Vision Plus. You guys will have to go to Cricket for that, because it might be your best bet of getting accessories for this phone. It's Cricket Wireless. Like I said, I'm not sure who makes this phone. I'm not sure if it's WingTech or whatever. So, yeah, it does have Android 12, which is nice. Yeah, so there you guys have the Cricket Vision Plus. It's now available at Cricket Wireless for $99.99. It does have Android 12, which is very nice. You do get a 2-year warranty on this one, which is pretty cool. And it has a Type-C charging port. But other than that, like, the biggest con about this one is that it only has one rear camera in the back. It's 2022, and it's kind of ridiculous that phone manufacturers are still putting single rear cameras in the back. But here we are. So yeah, I'm sure that a lot of people will probably stay away from this one because of it only having one camera in the back. So it's up to you if you guys want to check this one out. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Cricket Vision Plus, now available at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.